Fits me snug as a bug. And I can't believe it that I just said that, because that was hella corny. Hello. First and foremost, I just want to say that my prayers are extended to you and your family. I am praying that all of you are safe and healthy right now with this craziness, with the coronavirus going around. And I just, with everything that's happened in the past few days with quarantine and all of that, I just really wanted to get another creation upcycle video up for you guys to hopefully inspire you to, you know, sew with me and create and be thankful for what we have in our homes, and that we can do that, and to kind of like come together as a community online and support each other and know that there's so much to be grateful for still, even if there is a lot of uncertainty and, you know, scariness going on. We can still be doing these things in our homes and be creating, and I think that's one thing to be, one of many things to be grateful for right now. So I have something very exciting that I want to upcycle today, which are 2 defective skirts that, first of all, one of them is leather, like this. The zipper was broken, but I kind of think that I like made it work and zipped it up. And then this one, which has like these really cool studs down the side. Ooh. But the zipper is also broken. My lovely friend Kate gave these to me. She owns the boutique 𝒻𝒾𝓃𝒹. It's located in Oakley. If you guys are Cincinnati based, go check it out. She has the cutest stuff, very trendy, the cutest shoes. I mean, it's hard to not go in there and like spend all of my savings, but I got very lucky with these 2 things. Thank you so much, Kate. I am also hopefully going to be selling my paintings in her boutique here shortly, once I get some painted. So that's very exciting for me, but enough about me. Let's get upcycling. I think I already have a pretty good idea of what I want to do. First of all, do you like my pants? I got super excited and upcycled them today. I thrifted them. They were like a brand new pair. I think it was like a Target brand, and they were a size 16, and I just kind of like took them in. I just kind of dismantled them and like repositioned the pockets, and they're like super high-waisted, which I really like, and they're very fun. I'm very excited about them. Anyway, so these 2 skirts. What I'm thinking is, since I got the zipper to kind of like work sort of, I could make this leather one into a tube top. Like, how fun would that be? I feel like I would wear it all the time. I'm worried though, because, you know, leather's pretty thick. It might struggle under my machine, but I feel like my machine can, I feel like it could handle it. Also, if you're wondering, my machine is a Brother TF6000i. I stand by it. I love the machine. Okay, but my thing is, I don't know how I'm gonna use the other studded skirt. I feel like maybe I could involve both of them in the same like tube top, in the same upcycle. That would be fun. That would be really fun. I really want to use the studs, but I don't know how. What could I do with them? Whenever I do this in front of my camera, I just really wish that I could ask you all your opinions and your ideas, because I need them. Aww. Okay, what could I do? Let me see if this tube top idea will work. Okay, all right. So here's the skirt on my torso. So I was thinking that I would just like take in the sides, because I don't want to ruin this, all these beautiful seams here in the front. Is this gonna work? Tell if it's gonna work like right now, because there's so much on the sides. So my design idea is that it would just be like a really tight tube top crop bustier type of idea, and maybe I can add some of those studs like on the top from the other skirt. That would be so fun. I'm scared to do this, but I think that the first step is gonna have to be cutting off all the rest of this excess down here. Wait, maybe I shouldn't do that. Okay, wait, no, because I might change my mind on like the length of it. Maybe I will try and take in the side seams first. The problem is, okay, let's try that. Pinning it on myself did not work at all, so I had to like lay it flat on the table and then just kind of like approximate and make sure it was like the side seams were matching up, so then I could pin it in these 2 places right here, like my waist and then my bust. So you can kind of see what I've done here, right? And it's like fitting really well right now. So I think I'm going to go ahead and sew down the side seams. All right, I'm gonna psych myself up and then I'm gonna do it. Okay, let's do this. Just kidding. Fits me snug as a bug. And I can't believe it that I just said that, because that was hella corny. It does fit me snug as a bug though. I mean, look at this. Okay, so I'm still trying it on inside out to see how it will fit me without all of this flappy jazz on the inside.
Smooth, seductive, questionable, flappy jazz. Out now on cassette tape.
I stopped my seams right here, and so I think I'll take that seam down and like taper it out to like an A-line look, and then I can like cut all those seams off the inside and then see how it looks, and like if I want to crop it or not, or if I want to add some embellishment on the top. I'm gonna do that. I'll be back. Okay, so that worked, and now I have some choices to make, which we all know I am so good at. I just have it like rolled up here to kind of simulate the tube top look. I don't know what I want to do. I feel like if I kept it longer, it might be kind of a cool top to like play with. I could like scrunch it up, like throw a belt on over it. I was playing around with the other denim skirt, and I was thinking that I could cut off this kind of triangle of the studs here, and maybe I could leave the edges frayed, maybe. And then I could kind of like put the long edge, or this, I could put this side on the side seam, just how it looks there, on either side. Ooh. Pretty fun. Mixed media. I'm loving it, I think. But now I'm like, do I keep the top long or do I shorten it? I don't know how I would wear it more. I'm gonna have to like try it on and test it out with a few of my bottoms. I'll spare you, and I will make that decision off camera. Okay, I am obsessed with this. I didn't cut anything off, I just kind of tucked up the ends. So this is kind of how I like imagined wearing something like this, and I'm loving this. I'm like really obsessed with this right now. As you just saw, I cut off these two pieces from the denim skirt, and I was holding them up and I was just like, oh my goodness. Like, just looking at this right now, I just feel like, okay, so my like ultimate goal with my style is to be like those women that you see on the internet when you type in street style or like New York Fashion Week, and you just see all of these women in the most like unique, amazingly colorful, quirky, like just the coolest outfits that you've never seen before, and they just look so confident. That is my goal for my style. That is the ultimate goal for me. It's like be going to those fashion shows and fashion week and like be so unique, but my goal is to like be that girl who didn't spend half the amount that they did on their clothes, and like for it all to be secondhand. That's my goal, and I feel like that in this top right now. Yes, I think I'm going to crop it, and then I'm just gonna stitch these on the outside. I'll have to decide if I want to have the ends hanging down or not. I'll be back to show you how it turns out. What do you think? I'm obsessed. I love it. I love it. I feel like this is just the one thing that I've been like needing in my wardrobe, is something super unique and fun to kind of like layer and play with, and to like make me feel special. And I just feel like those types of things I could never make, or you know, I could never find at the thrift store, but I I mean, this is like truly surprising to me. This really proves to myself that I can like do these things. You know, I can make something super unique and work with different materials that I might be afraid to work with. So I hope that this might inspire you or kept you company during quarantine. And I hope that you guys stay safe and healthy. And I hope to see you in my next video. Thanks for watching, guys.